Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy MemeAI Coin. It's easy to get this done. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. So once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you can find its Ethereum contract address. Copy this Ethereum contract address, scroll down a bit more, and you'd find centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges that are hosting the token. For the decentralized exchange, we have Uniswap, and for the centralized, we have MEXI. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy the token on both exchanges. So simply minimize and open up your MetaMask application. If you remember, we copied its Ethereum contract address. So this is an Ethereum based token. So you're going to need some Ethereum. Now, once MetaMask has opened up, all you need to do is make sure you have some Ethereum on your wallet. If you do not have Ethereum on your wallet, you could easily click on the buy ETH option. As you can see here, it says buy ETH. So simply click on buy Ethereum and simply select your region. So once you've entered your region, simply click on continue, and then you're met with the payment options that are shown. So select the payment option that's suitable for you and continue to enter an amount you wish to withdraw from your card. So once you've been able to make payment and purchase the Ethereum on your wallet, your next step would be to simply click on the import tokens option. Once you selected import tokens, click on custom token, paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, MemeAI is shown. Click on import, and once you've imported this token to your wallet, this would help when you're purchasing the token so it can show, or so it shows up on your wallet. So once you've been able to import the token on your wallet, you'd find the MemeAI on your wallet. Now simply head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply log on to uniswap.org, and once Uniswap is opened up, you could easily connect your wallet by selecting the Wallet Connect option at the top right or clicking on Wallet Connect. Make sure your trading network is set to Ethereum by clicking on the Ethereum icon and selecting ETH. Select the token, paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap. Once it's pasted, select MemeAI, click on I understand, enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to convert into the MemeAI, click on swap. Now, as you can see here, for $16 worth of MemeAI tokens, you're going to be paying a gas fee of $20. So in order to avoid paying such high gas fees, simply minimize and open up the centralized exchange. The centralized exchange in this video is MEXI. So once you've clicked on MEXI, if you do not have an account on MEXI, simply use the link in the description of the video so you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT welcome bonus. So guys, once you're on MEXI with an account that's a verified account on MEXI, head to the wallet icon at the bottom right. Once there, you could easily set a gesture password, so we'll be doing that later. Click on the deposit icon that you find. Once you selected deposit, you could easily deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside of MEXI. Make sure you're depositing cryptocurrency that can easily be converted into USDT, or tokens that can be converted directly to the USDT, as the case may be. So once you found the token you hold outside of MEXI, simply deposit it here. And once you've deposited some cryptocurrency, if you have some fiat currency you wish to deposit, you could select the fiat option that's shown, click on fiat, and then simply click on buy crypto. So once you selected buy crypto, you're taken to a menu where you could easily buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency of your choice. Now, as you can see here, USDT is shown. The payment method are Visa and MasterCard. So once you've selected the payment method, simply click on buy USDT and follow through with the options. They also have the P2P option, which also helps. You could easily buy from a merchant that's a local merchant or an international merchant, as the case may be. So once you've been able to enter an amount of crypto you wish to buy, and once the crypto has been deposited on your account, you'd find the USDT here. Simply click on transfer and move it from your fiat to your spot wallet or vice versa. So once you've gotten your USDT on the spot, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have MEXI USDT. Click on MEXI USDT and simply search for MemeAI. Select the MemeAI USDT. Select your trading type or your trading style from limit to market. Enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy, and then simply click on buy MemeAI. By doing this, you'd successfully buy MemeAI at the current price of the market, without facing any hassle from using Ethereum. So guys, that's how you can easily buy the MemeAI. You'd find it on your spot wallet in the spot wallet balance. So do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.